Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is a user defined schema bound object that generates a sequence of number according to a specified specification. So it is a schema bound object, okay? So that we do use to create a sequence of number. How we need to define, like how it will create a sequence. A sequence of numeric value can be ascending or descending order at a defined interval and may cycle if requested. So these are little bit a high point, but let me show you the basics how to create a sequence. So very simple, like so this is my, I am going to create a sequence. So this is the name that I given to sequence, and the sequence will be, data type will be integer. It will start with 10, anything I can do. Let's start with 5, okay, and I want increment by 2, sorry 2. So the first sequence will be 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, and so on. Let's create this sequence number. Okay, I have created a sequence number. Now what I want to insert a value in any of the table using sequence number. Okay, so let me create a one table just for sequence test. ID integer, I don't want any other thing. Okay, okay, I am creating this. So I created the table. Now I want have to insert the value. So instead of, in this table I have not created identity. Now what I want, when I don't want to insert, I don't want to give value from myself, okay, and I want every time value should be changed, so I have the good option to use sequence. Okay, so how to insert using sequence? This is simply, instead of giving anything, just add this one, next value for sequence. So when I execute this, okay, so insert into table name, then value, yeah. So when I execute, when I insert the value in this table using sequence number, so in the first insertion it will take 5, then second insertion 5 plus 2 7, in the third insertion it will take 7 plus 2 9, like that. One row affected. Let's see the value. It should be 5. You can see 5. So actually this 2 was already there. Sorry, I didn't test. Let me create a, no, this is sequence test. Oh, sorry, sequence test. Let me run this. One row affected, and here it should be sequence test. Now let's see, the first, there should be only one row with value 5, sorry 7, because first time it's generated 5. When I executed the query with ident test, that time sequence has already generated one value, that was 5, so it given 7. Now next value, now again it should, next value should be 9. Let's see, 9. Now it should be 11. Let's see, 11. So like that, it will add every time 2. So this is how sequence work, but there are some difference. So it is similar to identity column, but there are small different. Let's see. Different sequence different from identity column and are not associated with table. Yes. So the sequence that I created, it is not associated with table. I just created a syntax like create sequence name, and this sequence, and I defined this sequence number, and this one I can use in any of the table, but identity column we do create for a specific table for a specific column. We cannot create, we cannot use one identity column in multiple table. Okay, for multiple table we'll have to create individual identity column, but we can create a sequence one time and can use in multiple table. The relationship between the sequence and the table is controlled by application, and sequence can be shared across multi-table. Yes, we can share across multiple table, like we can use sequence in multiple table. We just need to define one time and can use multiple time across multiple table, but identity we do define with particular table with particular column. So that's all about sequence and sequence versus identity column. Thank you.